Hello to you. Yes, you, the jewelry maker guy. Today we are going to make a very beautiful earring, but this is not the type of usual dangling or stud earring. Let's go and see what is it. We need two types of wires, the thickness of 1 millimeter and also 0.4 or 0.5, a couple of pearls that I'm going to work with 4 of them, and main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. And we start by 1 millimeter wire and round nose pliers. We are going to make an earring hook, just like the shape that you could see here, but this time we are going to make a big one. And this would be something like this. So let's go and make one. Make a very little loop at first. It could be a closed one or an open loop, just like this. Keep your chain nose pliers here and push it tight so that you would have a beautiful wire swirl here. Okay. Now put it again with the chain nose pliers and push it a little. And again with your thumb, turn it gradually to have a beautiful curved shape, just like an earring hook. But this time it's bigger than a standard and usual one. Again with your thumb, do some perfections, and here somewhere a little above at this swirl, start to make the negative curve and then cut the wire out. Now with your round nose pliers, try to make a very delicate curl here. And now this is the main structure that we are going to attach the pearls on. These pearls are going to be wrapped all around this part of our structure by 0.5 wire. So we pick up the thinner wire and we start to make a wire coil at first by making a U shape, and then we make a tie at this starting point and we roll and wrap it all around the structure to have something like this. And we cut the wire at about 10 centimeters and we insert every pearl into this thinner wire, one after the other. And after inserting every one of pearls, we would have a little wire coil by wrapping the wire at least 2 times. After adding all of these pearls and Also, the ending wire coil, we would cut the extra wire. And don't forget to push this extra wire onto the work so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. You could use your chain nose pliers to do so, and easier. Now we have this very beautiful wire earring, but one more step. Again, pick up your 0.5 wire, and this time we are going to add kind of a bezel setting at the end of every pier. Again, with this thinner wire, we would make a little wire coil at one side, and here we are going to wrap the wire all around this part at least 3 or 4 times for every of these piers, and we would wrap it one by one, and the second time we would wrap the wire at the other direction, and we would repeat it for all of these piers. After we get to the last one, just rotate this wire between these two last piers and just wrap the wire to fasten it up, and then cut it out. And again, push it, the sharp edge, and this would be a very beautiful wire earring, a simple but very beautiful one that you could use in every occasion. I would really like to know if you make this earring or not, and if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Hope you the best. Take care and bye-bye.